Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit with a debit or credit card on the OKEx app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the OKEx app, then go to the asset section, which is on the bottom right corner. And here you will see your total assets value on the top of the screen, and below that the deposit, fund, withdraw and transfer icons. Now tap on the deposit icon, and to deposit with a debit or credit card you have to tap on the US dollar deposit. But you can also change that currency, so if you are not from the US you can always choose the currency that you use. Just tap on it, and here you have three choices: Express, peer-to-peer, or orders. I would recommend Express. And here you can just type in the amount of US dollars that you want to deposit. I think it's unlimited. Yeah, you can deposit any amount, which is always good because on some trading apps there is a limit how much you can deposit. Here you can deposit any amount. And there is even a promo that if you deposit at least $100, you will receive $10 in Bitcoin for free. So yeah, here you type in the amount that you want to deposit. Then you choose your card, your MasterCard or Visa card. You can use either of those. And that's pretty much it. You can choose in what coin would you like to deposit your money, and just tap on buy, and your money is going to be deposited in your wallet, and your wallet value is going to go up to the limit that you have deposited. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone, and see you in the next one. Bye.